of debut because I love this game. I already made the first part of debut and I was just about explaining how the game works. And now let's get into it. So here I am. I'm gonna try and be good at this game because last time the video might have been a little bit laggy because sometimes like the screen recorder makes like a little bit of a problem. Every time I make a video, it makes it like a little bit laggy. But let's just get into it. Now, guys, if you would like to make if you like to make me free, if you like to let me do 3 videos a day, that would be great. And the only games I'm playing now is debut and Roblox because they were the first games that I played. And then when we hit 100 views on my first video, then we're gonna play a little bit of 4 more games. Every time I hit 100 views on a video, then I get 4 more videos each day. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna like try and be good at this game because there are a lot of, if I level up, then I'm gonna be really good because people will be scared of, because if I have new guns, people will be scared of me. I'm trying to get, the goal today is trying to get the sprayer. And the sprayer is the good gun that I explained in the first video. Ooh, here's sniper. Snipers do a lot of damage and you can shoot really far. Guys, I'm gonna do it to Team DM, which you have teams, which is good, instead of everyone attacking you. And if everyone attacks you, you stand no chance because everyone will just like you'll keep on like dying and failing. Okay, guys, I spawned in now. I'm gonna like try and get the sprayer because the sprayer is the one that I really want. And when I reach part 5 of this video, I'm gonna try and get the. When I get the sprayer, I'm gonna make another video of Typo where I get the Overlord. I'm gonna try and get this one really quick. And guys, if you would like me to make a lot of videos, and if you like my videos, just say, comment down below which videos you like the most, which video gameplays you like the most. Then I'll do more of the games. And guys, I'm gonna switch game because I'm gonna go on Mothership. Mothership I reviewed on the last video, which was the July 16th of 16th of July. Okay, now I spawned in. It's a little bit laggy. Don't lag me, game. Don't lag me out, please. Every time oh no. Now I just spawned in and then it just ended. Let's kill that twin gun. Twin gun is a good gun that I use when I'm not like video playing. And these are the arena closers. They're really big. I'm gonna try and get at least a machine gun. Or I'm gonna try and get to level 20 on domination. Let's go for domination. I didn't show you a lot about domination. So domination is about you have to destroy the dominators, which are massive guns that shoot like bullets that can like it can kill people in one shot, and it nearly killed 23. Oh, he already died. I'm trying to kill my first guy because when I'm making videos, it's so hard to kill guys because I have to like keep on talking and playing, and that's what I not normally do. I just like, okay, now guys, I'm gonna show you a Dominator. I'm gonna try and destroy Dominator. It's a big gun. This is a Dominator. It's really big and it kills you one shot when you get in front of the bullets. I'm gonna go back in Team DN because I'm gonna try and be level 20 or higher. So guys, I'm not gonna talk for a little bit, then I'm gonna like talk a little bit sooner. And that's what makes me good at this game. Guys, if you would like this video to be really, if you would like this channel to be if you would like this channel to be good, let's subscribe now, and then I'm going to do more gameplay on different like videos with my friends. My friends' channels are better than mine because I just started my channel. If you would like, I put one of my friends' names in the description below in like a video that's still uploading, and I made 3 videos today. One is already uploaded, and the other one is just like still uploading. I nearly got the machine gun. Machine guns are good because they reload a lot. Okay, now here you can see all the stuff have max bullet damage, max bullet penetration, but I want to have one reload. I mean, that's pretty good because look, you know the blue like pentagons that are circling around. That has a lot of health. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you something that has the most stuff. Oh no! And guys, I'm gonna leave this video now because I'm gonna make another video really soon because I love making videos.